Hello everyone, my name is Nhật. I'm a member of Training Coach C6 of the Langmaster Learning System, and this is the first video of the series teaching English pronunciation called Pronunciation Guide. So, to speak like a native speaker, you will have to master the 44 sounds of the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. By studying 44 syllables, you can pronounce exactly every single English word. Wonderful. Today we will learn about 12 hours, and I'm going to take you to all the sound we make when we speak English. In each case, I will model the sound for you and then put the sound into familiar words as an example. You will see a close-up of my face as I make each sound. So watch my mouth carefully and then see how each sound has formed. This is a section of the chat, and here we have 12 hours, and I'm going to try to help you remember how to say the sound with certain. This chart had 3 rows. As you can see, this is the first row, and then the second row, and at the bottom we have the last row. So in each rows, the mouth changes position. At the top rows, the mouth is quite narrow, and the second rows, the mouth has become a little bit bigger, and the third rows, the bottom rows, the mouth is quite big and round. So let me demonstrate. Look at the first row, the top row. Look at my mouth. Watch my mouth carefully. E, 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 C, E, 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 10. Cat or hat, maybe. In, teacher, up, good. Birds. Arm. And two. Door. On. Also, the sound are coming from different parts of the mouth. In the first row, the sound are coming from the front of the mouth. In the second row, the sound are coming from the middle of the mouth. And the last row, the sound are coming from the back of the mouth. Okay, let's review what we learned about vowel sound today. I will run through all the sound again, and you will pay a particular attention to the position of my mouth, and you could see which part of the mouth the sound come from. E, 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 C. E, E, E. 10. Hat. In. Teacher. ah, 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 up. Ooh, 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 good. Er, er, bird. Ah, ah, arm. Ooh, 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 two. Aw, 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 door. Uh, uh, on. So this is what we learned today. So I hope you will find this video helpful.